Hello guys, so do you know how excited I am to want to make this video for you? You will not understand. I'm super excited that I am making this video today because at some point in my life, I feel like if I want to be doing short form content, there's supposed to be a software that will help me remove silences from my video, help me add captions to my video, help me even do my zooming in and zoom out. Till I found this software. I know a lot of us have been hoping that in the future, AI is going to help us wash our plates. AI is going to help us wash our clothes and all of that. But right now, if you are a content creator, this video is going to give you a lot of excitement and goosebumps because you can now make videos and all the silence in your video and AI will help you remove it and keep your video very clean and short instead of you having all these long kind of videos that you have no control over. So I found out that this company has a plugin called AUTOCUT that would help me remove silences. The software has been there before. I've used it before, but I stopped using it when I stopped using Premiere Pro. The software will help me remove all my silence. All those times that you start cutting and removing all the silence, the software will help you remove it and arrange it. So in this video, I am going to be telling you about the software. I hope that you subscribe after watching this video. So in my DaVinci Resolve, I already have a video in my timeline. I'm going to be using this video for the example, and I hope you love it. So first of all, after installing the plugins, if you're using DaVinci, I'm going to be showing you an example for DaVinci and also an example for Premiere Pro. So if you have DaVinci open after installing it, all you have to do is come to Workshop, then come down to Scripts. So from Script, you see AutoCut, click on it. It would load. Yes, it would load. Now, the wrong side is you actually need your network to be on for it to load because it has to use an AI that is being developed online to work the software, you understand? So it's going to take just few minutes to load. After that few minutes, you can now go back to it. Mine has already finished loading. So I will just have to click on auto silence, auto cut silence. I'm telling the software that I want to remove the silence part of my video. So once you click it, there are a lot of options. You can go through the options and try to set it, but I want to use the default option, which is everything the way it is. I'm not going to be touching anything. I'm not going to be previewing anything because the default has always worked for me. So I'm going to use it, click on it. So after clicking on it, it will start loading immediately. It will start loading, trimming the software, the video, removing all the silence in your videos. Then you now have a clean video. That do not take you long. I'll go back and play you the original video how it is before I started doing this. But for now, let's continue. Now, because the software also have auto zoom, it would ask you if you want to do the auto zoom. If you don't want to do it, you can stop there. But if you want to add auto zoom, you can now click on go to auto zoom. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to an interface where you have to confirm it. Once you confirm it, it will start loading and show you the part where you want to load. The amazing part is just for your video not to load your face out of frame, it's going to show you a frame that is going to be keeping no matter how the loading is. So I'm going to bring it to around here, which is my face area. Then I'm going to say apply. After applying it, it's going to run as normal, just the way your Photoshop action will run, to run as normal. When it's done, it's going to tell you that, sir, I'm finished running it. You understand? So you can now go to the next process. Mine is loading, is adding auto zoom to every single layout, and trust me, it's amazing. Now it's done. It's done. Is it that celebration that is there? Once it's done, they show you a little bit of celebration. Now, if you want to add captions to your video, you go ahead and add captions. But if you don't want to add captions, you can stop there. So for me, I'm adding captions. So I'll just add captions and say, okay, confirm it. English, yes, confirm it. It's going to load. Now, loading it doesn't mean it's giving you is what it feels like. It's going to allow you change your color, help you, allow you to change your font, arrange it the way you want. But first, it's going to analyze, it's going to analyze your video and see what is actually working with. So that can take a little bit of time. Generating action is not the same thing as cutting silence and everything. So it might take a little bit of time. But that's not the problem. We are going to wait. Yes. Now, as you can see, it has done the first part of the loading. So it's the part where we have to Now fix our style. I think I like the style, but let me change the font to Arial Bold. Yes, I think I'll use this one. Then I'll save the style. I want everything, every other thing to be the way it is. I don't want to change color. Then I'll say apply. Then I'll go to positioning. Around here, if you want the software to probably just write one word for you or write multiple words and highlight the one you want, this is where you fix that. So I'm going to leave it the way it is and I'm going to apply style. Then I'm going to add caption. Add. Adding caption now is going to load through 4 different processes, and that's what it's doing now. When it's done loading that 4 processes, sorry, I mean 14 processes. When it's done loading that 14 processes, you find out that you already have a caption on your video with the highlight and everything. The amazing part is not just one option, you have 3 different options. You even have Mr. Beast. The way Mr. Beast captioned his video, you also have it. It's done. To tell you how fast this is, it is done. So let's watch the video and see. Remember, we added 3 different things. We added silence, we added zoom, and we also added caption. So let's play the video. So when you play the video, this is what you get. You see the video zooming in, and at the same time, it's showing your caption. You can even move your caption downward or upward because you have your captions on a different layout. You see how beautiful it is? Tell me you don't like it. So the next thing we are going to do right now is to head over to Premiere Pro, where we continue the video from using it in Premiere Pro. Okay, so after finishing with the first episode of the video, which is the part where we talked about how to use it with DaVinci Resolve, now we have to do a video where we are going to be using AUTOCUT for Premiere Pro. Because I know there are a lot of creatives out there that what they use is the AUTOCUT for Premiere Pro. So once you install the AUTOCUT in your system, where you're going to find the AUTOCUT would be on your Windows extension. Then you click on it. I feel like the AUTOCUT in Premiere Pro works faster. I feel like it's more better. I think there are more features in Premiere Pro than DaVinci Resolve. If you open the one in DaVinci Resolve, you will not see all the things you see. Just like the website. If we go to the website right now, if we go to AUTOCUT, the website, you will notice that the features that Premiere Pro has is way more than the features that DaVinci Resolve has. But like I said, your one-time subscription can cover for both DaVinci Resolve and Premiere Pro. You won't have to subscribe for the both of them separately. So let's go back to Premiere Pro, where we are going to start using our AUTOCUT. So we have our clip on our timeline. As you can see. And if you scroll here, you see that it has a lot of more features than what we saw in DaVinci Resolve. So you can just go ahead. I have tested the B-roll. It gave me B-roll. I have tested the caption and auto silence. But for this video, we are going to be focusing more on the AUTOCUT silence. So first of all, let me play the video because I didn't play it before. Let's play the video and see. So when we play the video, you notice that there are a lot of spaces.
This video is about a software plugin that I've been hoping for.
So as you can see, there are a lot of spaces. I purposely had to make you see that there are spaces so that we can cut them off. So we'll now check what will happen after I add the AUTOCUT. So let's click on AUTOCUT. It's going to load AUTOCUT, delete silence. Then it's going to look at the image, explore the image very well. As you can see, this didn't even take a second. As you can see, it has done the whole cutting of the clip in seconds. Now let's play the clip again and see how our clip is right now. Remember the beginning of the clip, the way my face was and all.
I'm so excited to want to bring you this particular video. This video is about a software plugin. A plugin that I've been hoping for.
Now, you see now all the silence has been removed. So the next thing we want to do is go to the next option, which is the auto zoom. That will help you zoom in and out of your image. So let's click on that. I know that is also going to, just like what it showed us in DaVinci Resolve, you just move it to the part where you want the zoom to focus on. Then you click zoom. It will just run through it. Immediately it's done running through it, it will add the zoom to your image, your video, and you're good to go. As you can see, as I'm talking to you, it's already done. So let's go back.
I'm so excited to want to bring you this particular video. This video is about a software plugin, a plugin that I've been hoping for a long time. The company reached out to me to try it.
As you can see, that is how it is. We can even add it to every part of the clip. You can go back and still add it. But if you want to add caption, we have done caption for DaVinci Resolve. So there's no need going through the caption again, so we'll not make the video too long. But like I said, if you're making short form videos, you're making content for all these other platforms that accept short form content, this plugin is going to help you make your videos clean and short and very, very fast. You get it all done. So first of all, before we finish the video, let's go to B-roll and let's click on B-roll. So let's select our image, and then next we are going to add B-roll to our video. So what this will do is it will look at the audio, go online, then look for a B-roll that will suit your video. It will help you do that. So this might probably take a longer time than every other thing, but we are going to watch what is going to happen to the video. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do it to subscribe to the channel. Let's see what the B-roll will look like. I've done it before and I liked what the B-rolls were like. So let me go to next. So it found some images online that it wants to add. So the question was, should we add it? And I said yes. So it's going to take some time to load. As you can see, it's loading the B-roll on top everything. So now let's go back and play our video.
I'm so excited to want to bring you this particular video. This video is about a software plugin, a plugin that I've been hoping for a long time. The company reached out to me to try it, so I want to try it and let you know if it's a good one. So in this video, we are going to be diving into check.
See, this is like the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. And if you notice, these B-rolls that you're seeing here, they are not going to be the same B-rolls you see in another video. If I do this same thing 10 times, I'm not going to be seeing this same B-roll. The reason why I'm saying that is because I have done it before and these were not the images I saw. Now I'm seeing different kind of images entirely. Let's dive into the video. You now see somebody in the river.
Remove silences from like parts of your video.
Like I cannot just imagine
for you and
how this is. So I can make a full video now without even showing my face. With just an audio, is going to add a full B-roll for me. This plugin is something everybody needs. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to lie. I'm going to thank the company for producing this plugin because this is like everything. Sorry that this video is too long, but I hope you learned something from the video. As time goes on, I'm going to be showing you the features one after the other so that we'll make shorter videos with it. So if you're not following me or subscribing to this YouTube, do it to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.